This is my term project proposal for object-oriented software design. As a gamer, I want to press the start button so that I can begin playing the game. As a gamer, I want to press the quit button so that I can end the game. As a gamer, I want to utilize the 4 arrow buttons so that I can maneuver the character on screen. As a gamer, I want to select one of 3 weapons so that I can kill the enemy in a variety of methods. As a gamer, I want to press the mouse so that I can shoot lasers. As a gamer, I want to press the mouse so that I can launch bombs. As a gamer, I want to press the mouse so that I can shoot rockets. As a gamer, I want to be able to rotate between weapons so that I can kill enemies more efficiently. As a spaceship enemy, I want to appear in random locations so that the gamer cannot predict my location. As a spaceship enemy, I want to appear at random time intervals so that the gamer cannot predict when I will appear. As a spaceship enemy, I want to be able to move so that I can collide with the gamer. As a spaceship enemy, I want to detonate upon collisions to inflict damage on the gamer. As a meteorite enemy, I want to appear at random times so that the gamer cannot predict when I will appear. As a meteorite enemy, I want to appear in random places on the screen so that the gamer cannot predict where I will appear. As a meteorite enemy, I want to remain inside the screen so that I can increase my chances of colliding with the gamer. As a meteorite enemy, I want to disintegrate into small pieces so that I can damage the gamer more frequently. As a space blaster enemy, I want to appear at the top of the screen and at random times so that the gamer cannot predict when I will appear. As a space blaster enemy, I want to be able to shoot missiles so that I can damage the gamer. As a space blaster enemy, I want to explode on impact in case the gamer collides with me so that I can damage the gamer. As a space blaster enemy, I want to stay within the screen so that I can increase my chances of damaging the gamer. As a laser weapon, I want to travel to the mouse press location so that I can accurately kill enemies. As a laser weapon, I want to explode on contact so that I can increase my blast damage and radius. As a bomb weapon, I want to immediately explode on the mouse press location so that I can kill enemies. As a rocket weapon, I want to explode on impact so that I can damage the enemy. As a space blaster missile weapon, I want to explode on impact with the gamer so that I can cause damage and reduce the gamer's health.